Good morning, Kipsters. It's me, Mr. Mitchell, today for some first grade math. What you guys need for math today is a pencil, and you need to grab a blank sheet of paper. So go ahead and pause the video now and grab those things for me, okay? Pause the video. So now that you got those two things, we're going to jump in and get started. We're going to do two story problems today. The first one I mostly am going to do by myself. I'm going to ask you guys some questions. And then the second one, you are going to get ready and show me what you know and how smart you are. So the first question we're going to work with is this one. And I'll read it 2 times for us. It says, I had 12 pennies in my bank. During the week, I earned 16 more pennies. How many pennies do I have now? I'm going to read it one more time. This time make sure you're paying attention to what numbers are in the story problem. It says, I had 12 pennies in my bank. During the week, I earned 16 more pennies. How many pennies do I have now? So thinking about that question, I want to first figure out what numbers are my parts and what numbers are my wholes. So my first question for you guys is, because I want to get ready to start up my workspace. Am I looking for a missing part, or am I looking for a missing whole? Pause now. Am I looking for a missing part, or am I looking for a missing whole? Pause now. Okay. You got it. I'm looking for a missing whole because I don't know how many pennies I have at the end. I know that I got 12 at home in my bank. And then I get some more because I earned 16 more. So now I want to figure out my missing whole. Let me set up my number sentence and make a number bond so I can show all my smart thinking. So I know that for my friends in my class know this song. The part plus part makes whole, and then whole minus part equals part. One more time. Part plus part equals whole, and then whole minus part equals part. So I know, based on that song, that I'm looking for my part. And to find my part, I do blank plus blank equals blank. Go ahead and set up your piece of paper just like mine. Blank plus blank equals blank. And then I'm going to label my number sentence just like I usually do in my class. So I'm going to do part plus part equals whole. That's going to remind me, look for my missing whole and make sure I add up my 2 parts from my story problem. So I know that the parts in my story problem were 12 pennies and 16 pennies. So I'm going to write 12 in the first blank just like that. And then I'm going to write 16 in the second blank just like that. So I'm looking for my missing whole. To show my work, I want to show it using quick 10s or a base 10 picture. I know that some of you are really good, especially if you're like Miss Kosey's classroom or Miss Lutwet's classroom or Miss Diaz's classroom, that you're really good at showing me a base 10 picture. Go ahead and pause the video now and show me your base 10 picture and your quick 10s. Pause now. Okay, let's get started. To show my base 10 picture, you should have it on your paper too. I'm going to have a quick 10. So 10, 11, 12. Then I'm going to show the same quick 10s in the same base 10 picture for 16. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So now I have a number sentence and now I have a base 10 picture using my quick 10s. Now I'm ready to count it all up to figure out how many pennies I have now. Get ready to count with me, loud and proud. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Perfect. So now I have 28 pennies. I'm going to write 28 as my final answer at the top, just like that. And then I'm going to write down here. You don't have to, but I'm going to, so you should. I'm going to write 28 pennies because that was my final answer. So friends, that's how we show a number sentence, a base 10 picture with quick 10s, to help us solve story problems. Go ahead and either grab a new sheet of paper or flip it over to a blank side. So get ready to do the second story problem. Pause it now. Now that you have your things, we're going to jump right into our second story problem. I'll read it 2 times, just like last time. It says, Patrick had 15 colored pencils. I'm reading it upside down, sorry. Miss Cosi gave him 11 more. How many colored pencils does Patrick have now? I'll read it one more time. As I'm reading, think about if looking for a missing part or if looking for your missing whole. It says, Patrick had 15 colored pencils. Miss Cosi gave him 11 more. How many colored pencils does Patrick have now? I'm thinking that in this story problem, I know that he starts with 15 colored pencils, and then Miss Cosi gives him some more. And the question wants us to figure out how many he has now. So do you think we're looking for a missing part or a missing whole? Which one do you think? Are we looking for a missing part or looking for a missing whole? You got it. We're looking for a missing whole because I'm looking at 15 and looking at the numbers 11. And I have to add these numbers together to find out how many Patrick has all together. So I'm going to show a number sentence and then we're going to get started. So blank plus blank equals blank. Just like that. Blank plus blank equals blank. And I'll even label it for you. So I'm adding my part plus my part equals my whole. Go ahead and pause the video now and solve this story problem. Remember, you're adding your 2 parts together to get to your whole. You want to have a number sentence and a base 10 picture. Complete it when you press the play button again. Go ahead and pause it now. All right, let's see if you got the right answer. So I'm adding 15 and 11. I hope I didn't say 12 before, friends. I can't redo this video. All right, so we're going to be adding 15 and 11 together. So 15 plus 11 because those are my 2 parts. Now that I have my numbers in my number sentence, I'm going to show a base 10 picture down here. So 15, get ready to do it with me, or make sure it's on your paper. So 10, just like that, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now I have 11, 10, 11. Now that I have my number sentence and my base 10 picture, I'm going to add up all of this together. I want to make sure I start with the 10s first. Count with me. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. That means my friend Patrick has 26 color pencils now. Go ahead and write at the bottom 26 colored pencils. Just like me. Pretty good, my friends. Nice job today. Before we leave, let's do a couple of fun facts too. Let me just set up my whiteboard, get it ready. I need to erase. So how this will work is that I'm going to write a number sentence, and then I'm going to show you, and then you're going to pause the video, do it on your own, and then we're going to show the answer together. Okay? Get ready. We'll do a practice one first. Let's do a quick one. 4 plus 4 equals blank. I showed you. Now pause the video. Okay, so you unpause the video. You should have your answer. 4 plus 4, I know it's a doubles fact, and that equals 8. Just like that. Let's do another one. This one's going to be kind of tricky. Let's do 15 plus 13 equals blank. If you need to, make sure you show your quick tens. Pause video now. Okay, so you probably unpaused it. I'm going to do my work too. So I'm going to draw my quick 10. Draw my 5s. Draw my 3. That's my 10 picture. All right, get ready to count with me. Let's see if you got the right answer. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Nice job. So 28. Let's do 2 more. It's going to be tricky. Let's do 23 plus 15 equals blank. 23 plus 15 equals blank. Okay, make sure you have your base 10 picture if you need to. Pause the video now. All right, are you ready? So 23. I know I have 2 10s, so I'm going to do 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, just like that. And now for 15. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, just like that. Now I'm going to count up all of this together to find my whole. Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. So I know that missing whole is 38. All right, last one. Get ready. We're going to do 27 plus 19. This is going to be a tricky one. A tricky one. Get ready. Make sure I have a base 10 picture, okay? Pause the video now. All right, let's get started. I'm going to show 27 first. So 27. 10, 20. That's 20. Now my 7. So 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Just like that. Okay, looking at 19. I'm going to draw 19. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Just like that. So I show my 10s and my 1s. Get ready to count with me. Don't get tricked. 10, 20, 20. I got tricked. What did I forget to do? Who knows? Yeah, I didn't count the 10s first. I went 10, 20, 21. But I got to make sure I include this other 10. Okay, get ready. Don't get tricked like me. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. So my final answer is going to be 46. If you got all 4 of these right, give yourself a pat on the back for a job well done. Nice job today, friends. I'll see you next week on Monday. Enjoy the weekend. Remember that all your teachers love you guys and miss you. Bye.